Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic can ants kill earthworm. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can kill earthworms by directly attacking their bodies or breaking them into smaller parts, and indirectly by reaching inside the compost bin and depleting food sources. You can protect earthworms from attacks by raising moisture levels, making bins sticky using diatomaceous earth around compost bins, or creating an island around them. Worms are not predators of ants and avoid eating living insects, but they can feed on dead ants. In the same way, ants are found to be least interested in eating live earthworms. However, it does not ensure the safety because lack of food and the need for protein-rich food can make them ferocious predators of worms. Ants are omnivorous creatures that can eat a variety of food types based on plants and animals depending on the availability of food. They can switch dietary habits to insects and other invertebrates when they need protein-rich food to help larvae grow and develop. Commonly, you can see them getting inside the compost bins to get food filled with tiny worms, particularly earthworms, rotting fruits, or vegetable scraps. Earthworms feed on the germs and microbes growing on decaying matter within the bin, while ants consume the decaying vegetables and fruits to get nutrition and provide energy to the body. They are responsible for killing tiny worms by direct or indirect means. Direct killing involves the attack of stinging or biting insect on the soft bodies of prey to make them die. It usually occurs in the wild environment when these insects reach decaying organic matter to look for the food source and attack these worms to meet their body requirements. They show less interest in live earthworms and usually reach the bodies of freshly deceased ones. However, some predatory insects can aggressively kill them to eat their protein-rich bodies. The ant species commonly found in urban areas and can reach trash bins outdoors or compost bins filled with worms and kitchens or lawn scraps. Accordingly, they can also be responsible for indirect killing by consuming their food sources and depleting the nutrients for them to survive. Ants can kill small creatures in the surrounding areas of their territories to get nutrients and feed the colony. They possess sharp mandibles and a long stinger to transfer venom into prey bodies. They can potentially kill smaller or bigger earthworms, reaching a maximum length of almost 7 to 13 inches. They use stingers to inject poison into their soft bodies for immobilization. Moreover, the toxic material can make them feel helpless and cause paralysis of prey within a few minutes after entering their bodies. After that, they begin to bite their bodies using sharp or zinc-coated mandibles to make them die. These strong mandibles also help maintain a good hold over their bodies to avoid escapes. These tiny creatures wait for their prey to die of the toxicity of poison and begin to chop it down into smaller pieces. It is not possible to carry a bigger prey back to the nest. Most colony members or workers assist each other in devolving their bodies and carrying the pieces back to their colonies. Furthermore, indirect killing is not intentional attack to kill the worms, but their population declines when they do not find a nutrient source within the trash or compost bins. It is essential to keep ants away from earthworms if you are a dedicated worm farmer because their populations can be deadly for the composting creatures, intentionally or accidentally. You can protect the farms from the attack of insects looking for moisture and food by keeping the bins moist, as these insects do not like highly humid conditions. Moreover, you can keep stirring the bin regularly to avoid the infestation of ant colonies within the bin, as they quickly leave a spot posing a threat after disturbance. Their eggs cannot survive without the care provided by adult insects, so they will die without workers that will leave the bins when you make them feel threatened by stirring. Diatomaceous earth can also be used to make a boundary around bins because this powder repels or kills these insects and protect composters from attack. In addition, you can make the outer surface of trash or compost bins sticky using petroleum jelly or Vaseline, which creates difficulty for tiny insects to climb. A double-sided tape on the bottom boundary of the bin can also pose a problem for ants with sticky feet. They are at risk of being stuck while trying to cross the sticky tape. Creating an island around the vermicomposter or a farm can help avoid the attack of deadly or predatory ants because they are not good swimmers. You can take a large container filled with water and place a support on the bottom for a bin to keep it raised from the water's surface. It can help protect them from ferocious attacks of insects. Thanks for watching the video.